Hello everybody, welcome to our channel. Today I'm gonna show you what to do if your microphone isn't working on your Motorola ThinkPhone 25. If your microphone isn't working properly, here are some steps you can try to fix the issue. First up, check the microphone opening on your device. Dust and debris can block the sound. Use a non-metallic tool like a wooden toothpick or a soft brush to gently clean your mic part. So next thing, you need to test up your microphone. To do this, open up the voice recorder app. On our phone is recorder. And click this button to check out if your microphone is working and the sound is capturing. Then you can just listen to your saved recording and check up your microphone. If the audio is quiet or distorted, you need to go to settings, sound and vibration, and turn off your background reducer. If this didn't help, restart your phone to safe mode, click your volume up button and power off button. Like this, power off, and reboot to safe mode. So, as your phone rebooted to the safe mode, open up the recorder again and check up for your microphone and make sure the third-party apps are not causing the problems. If the problem is fixed in the safe mode, try to delete the third-party apps you have installed recently that may cause the problem. And last thing, make sure your software is up to date. To do this, get back to the normal mode by clicking restart. So as your phone restarted, open up your settings, go all the way down to system updates and check for updates. If your phone is not updated, then update it, and that might solve the problem. Thank you for watching and subscribe to the channel.